Okay, good morning. I am out for my walk today. I'm actually almost all the way here to the freight train yard. I'm coming in from a different direction today, and I don't know if anything's going on over here. Looks like it might be. I think I can hear, sounds like a locomotive running, but I don't know. Alright, here we are. Coming in on this access point here. Alright. See if anybody's around. Noise over here at this business. Oh yeah, there is a train down there. Beautiful morning, sunrise. I'm definitely going to set up the camera. Boy, there's a lot of trash and garbage around. Man, a lot of garbage everywhere. Alright, that's just the way it is. So, train is down there, beyond the roadway. So he's been, I don't see any engines parked over there. Boy, let's go ahead and get our time-lapse camera set up. It is muddy. It's going to be a beautiful sunny day today. The ties are frozen today. You can probably see that. So I can kind of rub it off. Yeah, it's been freezing most every day overnight. So session mounted here. The lens cap off. The mount, of course, is broke, so I use hair rubber bands to hold the camera on there. There, we got it started, and it's, oh, I think it's on a time lapse. I'm gonna have to get the other hand out here. Okay, I just got the camera mounted on the line there, just in time, because he is powering up and heading this way. Oh boy, let's get out of here, because those guys would not appreciate somebody on the tracks and in the way. Oh, look at the smoke coming off. Yeah, I see what looks like at least 3 engines. So yeah, definitely want to give them a wide berth. Those guys are working and those tracks belong to them. Well, I hate that all that garbage is in the pictures. Oh, he is really pulling. He is 1, 2, 3, 4 engines, I believe. Ought to be able to get some ground shaking going on here. Oh, he's loaded too. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 locomotives. Wow. Pretty cool. Just got out there in time to get that section set up. I thought maybe they were going to just keep on going. He's going to have to lay on the horn soon. There's a lot of lumber there. Look at that. That lumber beam. Bang, not too bad because they're full. I have not seen. Only once or twice since I've been coming over here. seen. The car's full. I'm looking for the GoPro for the session. Oh, no, I see it. It's right there at that joint. Wow. Look at the smoke coming out of there. You don't normally see that either. But they're pulling pretty hard. They were. Yeah, look at that. He's loaded all the way down there. So, yeah. I just haven't seen the cars loaded like this. Usually when I see them over here and my hands are really cold, since I don't have my gloves. If I ever remember to bring my gloves, it'll be this summer when I don't need them. But yeah, I don't remember seeing the cars loaded like that. But I think only one other time. So this train is probably getting ready to be shipped out. And I thought for a minute maybe that's what they were doing. If they head off in this direction, they will go over those mountains. But it's a really tough pass. And it's starting to push back, you know. Oh yeah, I almost didn't come over here this morning. I almost did not. I haven't been coming over here because it's just been too dang cold and miserable. Hard to believe that it might be 70 degrees today. Later on this afternoon. And apparently that's maybe what's going to happen. Yeah, I was almost thinking we'll find a nice documentary to watch on YouTube or something. Now I'm starting to feel a little ground shaking. Not too bad. I wasn't really feeling any before. Engineer's not even looking at me because he's busy paying attention to what's going on in the cab. I forgot to do a time check on when I started the session. Doesn't really matter anyway. I got my new watch band on and the other one broke, and this is one that I had in an old box of junk for years and years, and now I'm getting some good use out of it. Sure was a pain to put that on. I didn't realize how it's tough to put on a watch band when you get older, and of course my eyesight's not very good. So anyway, we're capturing a little bit of a time lapse. Stay a little bit longer, but I have a feeling he's not going to be back up here anytime soon. One lone tank over there, tanker car. Anyway, it's nice to get over here, get a nice little walk in. The way that I took to get over here is actually slightly longer to get here than normal. So that's good, get some exercise in. Okay, he's powering up again. And I can't tell, but I think he's heading back this way. He must have not got all the way down there to the road. Yeah, he's actually heading this way. So the crossing gate guards must be down still. That's why he didn't blow his horn. Alright, now the sun's coming up. Yep, he's coming back. It's kind of funny. He went down there and connected up to... He had time to either connect up or drop off. I don't know which, but we're going to get another blow-by of 4 locomotives, maybe. Now he's starting to power down a little gonna go back up. Yeah, we got some ground shaking a little bit. I mean, it's not like that much, but I can barely feel it. Looks like he's gonna keep going. Laying on the horn here. We'll get a whole look at the whole concept here. All weather wood is what they say. Now I would assume all that lumber came from here, from the mills in this area, but I don't know. Yeah, he's still going on. Cool, I can hardly hear the roar of the engine. I don't know if he's just gonna keep going. Brookings, that's way over on the coast. Wow, that's a long ways away from here. Well, it might be that this train is on the way out of town. See the thing stuck on the back of that with the flashing red light. It's their tail light system, and it's controlled by the radio. Yeah, he's gonna just disappear out of sight. Yeah, there would be no reason for him to... He's up there at the other intersection now. No reason for him to come back here. Because the sidings are gone. He'd have to go probably 10 miles or more before he'd get to another very small, you know, siding yard to drop off or pick up. He'd have to go. Chances are he might be going up there, so he may be back, but he may not. He may be heading for the border. All right, I do believe I'll go grab my session and hit the road. This was fun for sure.